In this video, I will be showing you how to make flashcards in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva homepage by clicking into the search bar and typing in flashcard. Once the results load, I'll skip the pre-made templates and click on Create a blank flashcard to start with a clean slate. After the editor opens, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left and select a rounded square from the Shape section. To make it look like a real card, I'll change the fill color to white and then add a thin black border by adjusting the stroke weight. I'll also refine the corner rounding to give it a polished look. Now I'll resize this shape into a vertical rectangle and duplicate it to build my layout. I'm going to carefully align these boxes until I have a neat grid of 6 cards on the page. With the layout set, I'll go back to the Elements tab and search for an airplane graphic. I'll pick a cartoon style that I like, resize it, and center it in the first card. Next, I'll add a text box below the image and type out the word airplane. I want a friendlier look, so I'll go into the font menu and select a casual handwritten font, then adjust the size so it's easy to read. To save time, I'll search for my next item, a bus, and place the graphic in the second card. I can just duplicate the first text box, move it over, and update the text to bus. I'll continue this process for the remaining cards, searching for a cat, a dump truck, an elephant, and finally a fox. For each one, I'll find a matching graphic, resize it to fit the card, and duplicate the label to keep the formatting consistent across the whole set. Once all 6 flashcards are finished and looking great, I'll head to the top right corner and click on the Share button. I'll select the Download option, ensure the file type is set to a high-quality PNG, and then hit Download to save the file to my computer. Now you have a set of custom flashcards ready to print and use.